let's do another makeup tutorial for the summer of 2026. My summer is good so far, but the only thing I'm concerned is when summer goes by too fast and thinking about going back to school. Wow, I gotta say, I'm nervous to become a senior in college. Remember I talked to you about that I was not going to be able to do singing videos until I get 200 subscribers? Well, I give up. So I'm going to continue to do more singing videos. I wonder if I get more support or more hate. But I was like, I'm overthinking too much just because one of these songs that I had composed, it's making me want to do something. Like just sing it over again, listen to it over again if I have the recording of it. I feel like I want to drop a song towards August, like in the middle or the end of August, because I'm overthinking too much. Because at first I said I was going to quit singing till we get 200 subscribers so I can do more originals, more singing cover videos. Well, I'm going to do singing cover videos, so stay tuned. So let's say if I want to do singing cover videos and performing songs from famous artists, do not, and I mean do not, beg me to post my originals than just singing cover videos from famous artists, because it's up to me what I want to do. So don't ask me to do my original songs, meaning asking me to, oh, can you do another song, do this, do that. I decide what I want to do. You can't decide for me because I'm 21. Can't just treat me like I'm not 21, so please be careful with that. Also, no spamming, no nothing, no begging, no none of that. So just wait patiently, unless if you haven't heard from me, then go ahead and just ask me to do this, do that. Show my original music, not just singing cover videos. But by the way, I'm gonna go with this palette for the first time. Well, for the second time. I don't know if I have done it in my last video, but I'll just go check it out later. But let's use this. And I'm gonna do a black color, but black, it's not a good color for summer just because it's a dark color. But I will try a different one. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of black just because black is not a good color for summer. I'm gonna start freaking out once I become a senior in college because I'm really gonna miss everyone, because I had for almost 3 years in my college experiences. I'm not ready to leave and start a new chapter after college. I'm not sure what are my plans for after college. Yep, it's way too dark, but I will just cover this with this white color because I'm gonna mix it and turn this color to gray. I hope this color turns out good. I might add one more eyeshadow color just to make sure I'm not going all black due to that black, once again, it's a bad color for summer. Just because summer has bright colors except black, it's the only dark color that's not good for summer. Unless if you're going out at night, yeah, go ahead if you want to. Go ahead and wear black if you want. Okay, now I'm gonna go with this dark gray color. I'm gonna call this like a dark black and gray look. By the way, just ignore my face for now because I just washed my hair this morning. So I will fix it up once I'm done, except I just did my hair in advance. Oh, by the way, I'm going to a photography studio to do photo shoots, wearing all black, because I'm definitely wearing black today. Time to do mascara, because why not? Once again, this makeup must stay on for the photo shoots. Once I'm at the photo studio, whatever that is, photography studio, I might do some dark magic poses for dark magic photo shoots. I might do that because of wearing black. Alright, I'm gonna do fake eyelashes. I will do it off camera and I'll come back for the lips. Okay, I just did the fake eyelashes. And now for the lips, I think I want to go with this brown lipstick. The ones I bought from Primark. I had it for almost 2 years, or half a year. I think I bought it since 2024, and I remember going shopping at the mall and I just bought this lipstick color. But I forgot one more color. I'm going to do dark pink called Fuchsia for Me. It's from Maybelline. So why not wear dark pink? Okay, this is the final makeup look, so stay tuned for the full outfit and the hair look. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the final look. So I did my hair, like I told you in advance. All curly hair. Also the outfit reveal, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Alright, so I'm wearing this black sweater. Sorry, I'm wearing that because I have nothing else to wear. It was too hot to wear, but I'm only going to wear it for the photo shoots. But it's cool though. And this is the black sparkling leggings. This is the silver high heels flats that I just wore since 2024. That was at my prom. I do like it though. I want those disco ball earrings soon. Okay guys, so thank you all for watching today's video. If you want to see more of these makeup tutorial videos from me, give this video a big thumbs up. This will be helpful towards my next video. So thank you all for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.